recently moved into a smaller apartment, and this is my remote workers desk setup. The desk is 40 by 120. It's got these two drawers which provide me with extra storage in my smaller apartment. The chair is definitely the most expensive chair I've ever bought. I read somewhere that anything that keeps you away from the ground, so that goes for your shoes, your mattress, and your working chair, you should consider spending a little bit more on it, and I do not regret it at all. For the equipment that I'm currently using, this is my laptop. I love it because it feels like the best laptop for a content creator. Not using a monitor. Because my desk is small, I thought it would just make the place a bit crowded. I just add my iPad to the side, which I normally just use for my own personal work, and using it with a Magic Keyboard really aids with my productivity. My mouse is definitely one of my favorite things. It can connect to 3 devices, it's wireless, and it's a silent mouse. For the extras on my desk, you will find I've got 2 pairs of earphones. So I've got the AirPods Pros and the JBL headphones. My job requires me to take calls from time to time and also make calls. So you will find me using either of these. And sometimes even when I'm at a restaurant, being a remote worker and all, anywhere I am, because they are both noise cancelling, I can definitely just get my work done wherever I find myself. For the speaker, I recently just got into this brand and I am loving it. This speaker is tiny, but the sound that comes out of it, I also went on to add this headset holder. To bring everything together, I've got this black standing lamp, which I love to use, especially in the evenings. I can switch off all the lights in my apartment and I just have this nice, cozy, warm vibe going on.